Good evening. In this video, we briefly recap our analysis method and review a few selected alerts from the channel. Our approach is based on two primary breakouts, and the first one is horizontal level breakout that we see on the level breakout. And we focus on the break of a key resistance level that previously kept the price action. These breakouts tend to be more stable and statistical, more consistent compared to poor trendline breaks. Uh, Here we evaluate the trendline breakout. That is the second type of alert. You know that we see a descending trend line, a classical descent trend line, and we prefer those breakouts that have a slope between 0 and 15 degree, as they historical show more stable follow through. Very steep slopes often generate false positive to the excessive volatility. There are many other aspects that we look at this kind of graph. For example, we look at the compression before breakout. So we can see the difference between this situation, no? Because we have a good compression. This is very good compression because we know that we have lower ascending and higher descending. So I think that I prefer to have this kind of compression. Uh, Also, we have also here we have a good congestion of the price, and then a breakout very good with a low slope, and this respond all characteristic. Uh, I think that, for example, we have to look at the multi-confirmation trend line and horizontal level. I'm sorry, but this week we don't have a ticker where we find at the same time, the same week, an horizontal level or and a level breakout. Quindi a level breakout and trend line breakout. I'm sorry, but in other weekly we saw that we can have in the same time a confluence of signal, and we prefer those situations because we notice that there are a good structure. So in our approach, we follow the stock, even if with Finviz. For the screener is very good because we receive many signals, so 24 for this week. In general, we we build a portfolio and then we use the function of the Finviz to create a good analysis about this stock. And for example, we have the opportunity to filter the stock with, for example, price earnings. We know that many investors uh, don't want to invest in title with the high price earnings, and so we can see now very quickly, for example, that IRM is an incredible price earnings. I suggest IRM. conscious that it's a good stock and have an incredible price earnings, but I prefer uh, this kind of risk, and I don't be worried about a level of this. But I know that many investors have different idea. Most important that we, for example, for select a parameter such as sale growth past year. And according to the modern, we want that this value is over 10 years. So you know that you notice that we have selected four title, for stock, for ticker. So this parameter is very good to filter the analysis because from 24 stock we descend we go to four, only four. Now we can study this this stock with the training view, and I start from VC. VC is very good because have an important level such as 29 and 50, and it's very important that we see on this level a continuation of buy pressure because we are very important that if the stock have a good behavior on this level resistance, now we can assist to an andament to an behavior uh, like this. So a breakout, then a pullback, and then go down. I am very important. The second stock that I prefer is IRM, quindi Iron Mountain Incorporated. Is very good because we know that from this maximum the stock had retraced and retracement, and in this point we have a good presence of investor institutional. So 97 is a very good level to defend the title, and then we have 100 that is a round number, very important, and I think that the stock can accumulate on those way. This is a title that beat the historical maxims. It's very difficult to find entry point, but we have to select here, and we can take it in our watch list. So we follow it and try an entry point. Very important, very speculative, very aggressive Adam. Adam is a new, is a recently stock, is with a sniper. I think that it's very, very difficult establish if the price, the quotation, the first price quotation is undervalued at the beginning, in the 3 4 month following the first quotation. I think the IPO have a long-term evaluation, and it's very difficult established if they are undervalued here, and so they have an important develop in the next year. But I think that we can establish the importance level where institutional defend the title, and this is are indicated by the volume profile. We know that 8.4 is very good for the short time, but we know that the important investor is at 6.18. Uh, it's important because here we have the most important buy pressure buy. So when the price come back on this level, we assist to a defense of title. Uh, but in every case, we expect that Adams go up, have a good, I think, have a good structure. So we find here an important support. It's a round number 8, and I think that it can have an important role. I remember that you can subscribe gratis free the channel and receive the same alert that you are looking here, and I suppose that it's a good service. And we expect you in the next video, and uh, we update our analysis in the same dashboard. Thank you, and bye bye.